Hi everyone. Today we're here at the Greens in Fairways, Maraval to check out this ground floor unit with upgrades. Come on, let's go and have a look. This apartment has an open plan concept, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and an enclosed back area with laundry facility. The kitchen, bathrooms and windows have all been upgraded. The extended master bedroom is en suite and has a walk-in closet. This unit has a dedicated parking spot for 1 and allows for a small indoor pet. All of this is in the gated compound of the Greens, which has 24-hour security, shared swimming pool and a lovely landscape grounds with a kids playground. This home is being sold in a company's name, which means huge savings for you on stamp duty. If you think this unit is for you, connect with us.